Hello students, chapter circle of class 10 NCERT. So we are going to start with a new chapter, that is circle. So there is a two theorems that are very important and that could come in the board exam also. There is a more probability of coming these two theorems, because now we have only four theorems that are left in the complete syllabus, that is the two of the triangles and two are of the circle. So that makes these two theorems very important. So proceed to the first theorem, that is the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Yes, so the tangent, here the tangent x dash y dash is given to you of a circle O. Yes, so we have to prove that if there is a radius will be always perpendicular to the circle. Okay, so we need to prove this. Sorry. So given x dash y dash is a tangent. Okay, now to prove, we need to prove that suppose this point is P. This point is P. This is O. This is x dash. This is y dash. So suppose this point P is a point of contact and and O is the center. So we need to prove that OP is a perpendicular on x dash and y dash. Yes, this is the thing that we need to prove, that always, since OP is a radius and radius is always perpendicular on the tangent at the point of contact. This is our aim to prove. Now, how we could prove this? First of all, we need to take any point on tangent, let Q. Okay, so we have taken a point Q on the tangent. So suppose this is the Q point. Okay, so now join OQ. Now we are going to join OQ. Yes, so when we are joining OQ, we have got one more point, that is Q dash, that is at the center. Yes, sorry, at the circumference of the circle. So this point, this is on the Q dash is on the circumference of the circle. Yes, so we could see here, OQ dash, sorry, OQ is greater than OQ dash. Yes, Q is the point, that is external point, that is on the tangent, but it is not at the point of contact, and it is Q dash is a point that is not on the tangent, but that is on the same line segment, that is OQ when we have joined, and Q dash is on the circumference of the circle, or we can say the boundary of the circle. So OQ, the complete OQ is greater than OQ dash. Yes, since OQ dash is radii. Yes, now what we can see here, OP is also equal to OQ dash. This OP is equal to OQ dash. Why? Radii of same circle. Okay, radii of the same circle. So we can say that OQ is greater than OP. Instead of OQ dash, we have written, so we can find OP is shortest distance having tangent and the boundary of the circle. So when we talk about the shortest distance, yes, so it is, hence OP is perpendicular on x dash and y dash. Yes, so now we have proved that OP is perpendicular on x dash and y dash, means radii is always perpendicular on the tangent through the point of contact. Yes, so now come to the second theorem. That is also very important theorem and the probability of coming this theorem in the board exam is very high. So this is a circle chapter, theorems 10.2, the lengths of the tangent drawn from an external point. This P is the external point having of circle O, having a center O to a circle are equal. So we need to prove that suppose we can draw from an external point only the two tangents to a circle. Yes, so we need to prove that PA means the tangents drawn from the same point, same external points are always equal to the circle. Yes, are always equal to each other. So now we have to prove that PA is equal to PV. So first of all, what is given to us? PA and PB are tangents. Yes, and to prove PA is equal to PB, that we need to prove. So what we will do? We will do the construction. Yes, what construction? We will join OP, OA and OB. Okay. Now, sorry. Yes, I hope it is clear. Yes, so now we have joined OP, OA and OB. Okay, now what we have to do, since we know that proof angle OAP is equal to angle OBP, that is equal to 90 degree. See this angle and this angle, both are of 90 degree. I think you are able to see now this angle. Yes, why these two angles are of equal 90 degree? Just now we have proved in the first theorem that radius OB and OA are the radius are always perpendicular on the tangent at the point of contact. Yes, so now taking two triangles, triangle APO and triangle BPO. Yes, so now OA is equal to OB, that is radii of same circle. Yes, and angle OAP is equal to angle OBP is equal to 90 degree. We can write the reason. Radii always makes angle 90 degree at point of contact on tangent. We need not to write so lengthy, but I have written to make you explain here. So OA is equal to OB. Yes, and this angle is 90 degree. Now the third thing is that OP is equal to OP. Yes, common. This is common. Now we can see here right angle, side, and this OP is behave as a hypotenuse for the triangle APO and triangle BPO. Yes, so by RHS congruency rule, triangle we have taken whatever the name, we can say APO and BPO, both are the APO is congruent to triangle BPO. Yes, and by CPCT, what is CPCT? Congruent part of the congruent triangle. By CPCT, AP is equal to BP, or we can say PA is equal to PB. That is required. Yes, that we need to prove. Yes, you can see here. Now we have proved that these two triangles are congruent to each other. Yes, and by RHS congruency rule. Now by CPCT, AP is equal to PB. So now we can say that if we draw two tangents from an external point, they will always equal to each other. So now the proof of this theorem is very, very important. Yes, that I already told you from the board point of view, and the result of this theorem is also very, very important from the both the theorems. That is, we have learned here the two theorems. That is, the first result of the first theorem is, that is of the theorem 10.1, that is radius is always perpendicular on the tangent at the point of contact. And the second result of this that we are going to apply to solve this chapter 10, that is circle, when we draw two tangents from an external points on a same circle, they are always equal to each other. So I hope this is actually the proof of the theorems are very, very easy and most important also. So I hope these two theorems are very clear to you. So thank you, students.